Hello and welcome to Kabalabati. This breath practice is a super energizing breath practice. It's one to tread a little carefully. If you're feeling acutely stressed or really anxious, I'd suggest kind of stepping away from a practice like this and dipping more into my calming breath practices or the more gently warming breath practices. Also, if it's that time of the month for anyone, come to a practice which enables your core to completely relax. Otherwise, enjoy. So Kabalabhati is brilliant at essentially cleansing and clearing the channels of the body, energetically and also in terms of carbon dioxide. Really leaves you feeling very alert. So great for first thing in the morning. Come to a seated position that's comfortable for you. Close your eyes and just take a moment or two to ground. To come to the mat or the chair, wherever you are seated. And just take that moment to step away from wherever you've come from, to ground down through your sit bones, to allow your upper body to become at once light and active, and gently bring the awareness to the breath and take a few moments to notice the breath and observe the breath. Notice how the body feels in this moment. Notice the inhale and the exhale. I'm going to talk a little about the breath, so you can flicker your eyes gently open. Just allow the breath to be completely natural. So for Kabalabati, you want to place your hand on your lower abdomen, and the work is done on the exhale. So the inhale is as normal, and on the exhale, your hand is there to help pump the breath up so the exhale is almost expelled and out through the nostrils, almost as though you're blowing a candle out with your nostrils. But you want I hesitate to use the word exertion, but you want the momentum, maybe better, to come from deep down rather than an exertion of force from the nostrils. Any breath practice doesn't need to be intense. There can be strength, there can be benefit and impact, but that can all be done without over exertion. So I'll demonstrate. So getting myself nice and grounded. I'm going to bring my hand to my lower abdomen. I'm just going to inhale and exhale normally for a bit. So normal rise and fall of the belly. And then I'll come to Kabalabati. Fully clearing out the exhale. So hopefully you could see, if I sit back a little, hopefully you can see that clearly, that I'm almost using my hand more as a reference point, so you can see the contraction of the belly inwards and upwards. The breath travels upwards and then it's like a gentle but powerful whooshing / pump from the nostrils. As a beginner, really just go carefully and go gently. I suggest doing 3 rounds of 10. So I will do the 3 rounds of 10 so you can follow with me. Don't worry if you're a little bit behind or in front, but roughly that's what we're aiming for. So bring one hand to your lower abdomen. Come back to the natural breath. And then you're going to inhale and fully exhale all the way to the end of the exhale. And then start your 3 cycles of 10. That's 1. Inhale and exhale. 2. And release. Inhale and then exhale, coming to the final 10. And release. Just take a lovely deep inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. Close the eyes and just notice any very subtle effects of that brief practice. It may be also that you need to play around a little with Kabalabhati before it feels comfortable. Initially, it could feel a bit abstract and a bit foreign, and you might end up kind of pumping on the inhale rather than the exhale. Go with kindness and keep dipping into this video. And know, hand on lower abdomen, flicker the eyes open once more. Hand on the lower abdomen, and it's on the exhale. You can see that inwards up contraction. Keep with the 3 cycles of 10. Just go gently with that. And I'll be doing more breath practices in time where we play around a little bit more with Kabalabhati and we start bringing together different breath practices. But know this is your foundation video, so you can always come back to this. And any questions, please do just let me know. Bring your hands in prayer at heart center, close the eyes, take one final inhale and exhale fully out through the mouth. Check in one last time with the mind and body. Bring the thumbs to the third eye, space between the eyebrows. Namaste. Thank you for joining me today, for embracing and trying out what is possibly a new practice. As I said, go slow, go gently, listen to your body. You know yourself better than anyone else. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.